Unlock the secrets to Wi-Fi hacking, essential tips for secure browsing. Imagine the freedom of accessing Wi-Fi anywhere, anytime. Today, we're diving into the world of Wi-Fi hack tips. Firstly, always look for public networks. Cafes, libraries, and airports can be goldmines for free internet access. Remember, though, with open networks, security is key. Use a VPN to protect your data from prying eyes. Next up, utilize Wi-Fi Finder apps. These tools help you locate available networks in your vicinity, saving you time and frustration. Don't forget about asking for passwords. Often, establishments share Wi-Fi details on receipts or signs. In places you frequent, consider sharing networks with friends. A little community spirit goes a long way in staying connected. Finally, stay ethical. These tips are for convenience, not for breaching privacy or laws. Enjoy the internet responsibly and freely.